Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade X UX ValorBison FB. So yeah, two-piece. Finally got this guy. Hopefully I can get the other ones later on, but they're out. Okay, and yep. Let's go. Shit. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yes. There's that beast of a day. Let's get this. Okay. Damn, this thing is big. There's the QR code. We have the free spin. And free ball. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.